Hello everyone. Today we're making these beautiful mango crepe roll cakes. Light, creamy, fruity, and absolutely irresistible. Let's start baking. And there you have it. Soft, creamy, fruity mango crepe roll cakes. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cozy homemade videos from Charlotte Foodspot. See you next time. Bye!